Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well and welcome back to the AI Tech Explained Right channel, the place for AI professionals and enthusiasts to stay updated with AI advances. In this video, we will see how to add a human in the loop, a feature provided by LangGraph when building an LLM powered chatbot with LangGraph. This is relevant in our case because agents can be unreliable and may need human input to successfully accomplish tasks. And by adding a human in the loop, the latter can give his approval to ensure that everything is going to run as intended. To do so, we will walk through this notebook, which is a continuity of the one that I presented in the previous video of this series. So in summary, in this tutorial, you have code to install necessary packages to make the code work, to set environment variables, to import necessary packages, and finally to create our chatbot with a human in the loop using LangGraph. I will put the link to the notebook in the video description, guys. I will not go through all the parts of the code as they are almost the same as the one that I presented in the last videos, including installing the necessary packages, setting your Tavily and OpenAI environment variables, importing packages, creating the state graph, and last but not least, defining tools, LLM, and memory, as they were the main subject of the last videos, so I encourage you guys to go and take a look at them. The only difference here is when we compile the graph, we specify that we interrupt before the tools node. Note guys that LangGraph supports human in the loop workflows in a number of ways, but in this tutorial we'll use LangGraph's interrupt before functionality to always break before the tool node. Now let's interact with the bot by asking this question. I'm learning LangGraph, could you do some research on it for me? We don't have any answer here as we ask to stop before the tools node. Now we inspect the graph state to confirm it worked, and we can invoke the tool node where we stop the graph to check it. Nothing to filter here. The simplest thing the human can do is just let the graph continue executing. We do this using graph.stream, but here we put none instead of user message so that we don't append anything new to the current state, letting it resume as if it had never been interrupted. By doing so, we continue the graph execution, and here we have our bot's answer alongside with information sources as we saw in the last videos. This is it guys for today. Congratulations, you've used an interrupt to add a human in the loop execution to your chatbot, allowing for human oversight and intervention when needed. This opens up the potential UIs you can create with your AI systems. Since we have already added a check pointer, the graph can be paused indefinitely and resumed at any time as if nothing had happened. Thanks guys for watching, I hope you liked the video. Don't hesitate to put thumb up if it's the case, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to have more videos like this one. Don't hesitate to put a comment if you need more details on any concept about which I talked so far, and see you next time.